In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Instagram to Facebook page. So let's get started. So before we begin, you just need to make sure first that you have the correct permissions in order for you to connect the Facebook page to Instagram, like you're an admin or you are the owner of the page. Because if not, then you'll not be able to connect it. And then once you are sure that you have the permission, and now once you're sure that you have permission, is that you want to go here into Instagram, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. And then from here, you would want to tap here and edit profile. And now from here, you should have this pop-up right here. It says switch to professional account if you are still in personal account. So you want to go tap here and switch to professional account first right here. But if you already have a professional account, then you can just skip this step. And then from here, I'm just going to go for creator. For example, just pick the choice that is appropriate to your account. And then from here, I am just going to go and exit by tapping on the X button in the top right. And now, as you can see, it says a professional dashboard. So we are now in a professional account. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is that we're going to tap here on edit profile. And from here, you'd now be able to see here under profile information, you can see the page option to connect or create. So we want to tap on it. Tap on it. And from here, connect or create a Facebook page. I'm going to tap on continue. And now I'm going to tap on login to Facebook. And now it's gonna direct me into the app. So I'm gonna tap here on continue. And then from here, I will now be able to see the Facebook pages that I can connect into my Instagram. As you can see right here, by logging in into the Facebook account first or Facebook app first with the access on the Facebook page. Let's say I'm gonna go for the first one, which is Kyle's Market, and tap on connect. And now from here, let's wait for a bit and we'll be ongoing this process. And now as you can see right here at the bottom, it says your Instagram is now connected. And then from here under profile information, you will now be able to see the page name. And then when you tap on it, you'll now be able to change or create a page, disconnect page, or just not now, and so on. So yeah, that is how you'd be able to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. Thank you for watching.